All right, you're here because you want to grow a small account. This is Robert Falco. I'm Jerremy Newsome, and we're going to talk about how to do it. Now, the cool part about this video, zero sales pitch, unlike all the other ones you're going to watch, okay? So Robert's going to give you his idea and suggestion on how to grow a small account.
One of the ways I suggest growing a small account is to make sure that you know what the R system is. And you're going to want to risk small R's, and you're going to want to book those profits very, very quickly. Generally using options, because you are able to get better leverage with that smaller account. So whether it's $1,000, $2,000, especially if you go in the money, don't waste money on out of the money options. Make sure you set your risk amount. And when that option gets profitable, make sure to book those gains, like 30, 35, 50% gain on those options. Book it, take it off the table. You definitely don't want to get trailed out or stopped out on options or hold them to expiration, especially if they're going to expire worthless. So book those gains quick, use leverage, but remember, leverage is a double-edged sword.
Yep, absolutely correct. So keep this in mind. If you're using a small account, it's for one of two reasons. You're either testing your skills with a smaller account before you use more money, or you just simply don't have that much money. Trading with less than $10,000 is simply hard. It's really, really difficult. So if you find yourself in that position, it's okay. One suggestion I have is figure out a way to generate money doing something else in your life, sales, overtime at work, increasing your value as a human, doing something to take money and increase that account manually. Because if you're trading with $200 or $300, it's just really, really, really hard to grow it. Now, not substantially, but to turn it into $1 million is going to take you 47 years almost. All right. So give yourself some time. Understand that it's difficult. But my number one tip for this particular strategy is very similar to what my boy Robert Falco said. Look to use leverage. So understand what and learn about what a LEAP is. LEAP stands for long-term equity anticipation security. It's a longer-term option. Find a longer-term option on a stock that you understand very, very well. You know how the company makes money, aka Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Procter & Gamble. Look for a nice, solid, huge, large down day, and then buy, like he said, an in-the-money LEAP, a long-term LEAP, and use your account to do so. You don't have to risk your entire account, but you will have to invest your account. If you have a $5,000, $4,000, $3,000 account, you're going to have to spend all of your money making that investment. Just don't lose it all. And there's one other really, really good tip.
Ticker symbol JOB, as Jeremy said. Whether it's your regular job, doing something on the side, and then depositing money is oftentimes the best way to grow your small account.
Yeah, manually do it, guys. It's easier that way. And as you are growing, most challenges from trading comes from taking a small account, trying to make it into $45,000 by Thursday afternoon, and you end up blowing it out the water. Another suggestion is take that capital and invest it into one stock that you know for sure is not going to go to zero, number one. Number two, you understand.
Not Nikola.
Yeah, do not buy Nikola, okay? Apple would be an example. Google would be an example. You could buy one share. Amazon would be an example. You could buy one share. Tesla, maybe buy 2 or 3 shares. Take that amount of money, buy the stock that you know for sure is not going to go zero. It's in a very nice uptrend. Shopify, Wix, Trade Desk, Twilio, all right, just to name a few. AMD is a great one. Take your money, buy the stock, hold it for a few months, and then sell it for a 10, 15, 20% profit, like Robert mentioned with your options. Sell it, and then do that again on something like DocuSign, Redfin, Zillow. I could do this all day. Hold, own, and while you're owning and holding those companies, study like this man did. Put in the time, watch the videos, read, study, chart, practice, give it some time, and then grow the account.
Yeah, one of the ways, if you do find a stock that's cheaper, maybe like a Pinterest, again, we're not giving you any recommendations, but Pinterest is fairly cheap. It's right around $40. So if you have $4,000, buy 100 shares of Pinterest, sell covered calls, watch our video on selling covered calls, sell covered calls until you get called away for a profit and start all over again. A little more difficult with a Google or an Apple because you need a lot more capital, but that's definitely a way to grow that small account. As Jeremy said, it might take a couple months, to earn that 10, 15%. It might not be super sexy like you're going to see on some of the other ads on YouTube and things like that, but that's how real traders do it.
Yep, he's absolutely correct. So keep in mind, if you watch a video that's like, hey, take your $500 and use my really cool cloud mining strategy and you'll turn into $26,000 by Thursday afternoon, that's a scam. You're about to lose your money. What about the, oh, hey, take $500, trade my Forex system. You're going to make $83,000 every single week. It's a scam. Don't do it, right? It's hard, but it can be done. You can grow the account, get the experience, get the knowledge. That's our advice. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, click link, and leave any comments below. What do you think about the stocks that we mentioned in this video? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Let me know what you think. Let's rock.